就一个上午过去了，然后现在晴空万里，真的是很难得、很美的一个场景。所以说今天下午跟我朋友约了去海边蒸桑拿，开车大概1个小时20分钟的样子，然后看看我们怎么在瑞典蒸原始的桑拿，就是用从最开始然后点木头开始搞，然后现在去接他们。哦，这个天气真的是非常的不错。Get a GoPro. Oh. Yeah. My friend gave it to me because I'm from China. Well, at least I know.
You said there is no shower afterwards?
I know, so yeah.
Oh my God, I'm screaming.
No, listen, there's a lake. There's a lake.
Oh, I will jump into the lake after the sauna?
Yeah.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, that's the purpose.
I know, but I need a proper shower, you know? Like,
And afterward, yeah, 1 hour. Just don't
I have to sit there.
Don't dress up the clothes. Just.
Idiot. No, I bought the swimsuit.
Okay, finally we arrived. Hey, saying hello. Hello. Let's go. Let's see if we can set a fire or not. So this is one of the seashore. Yeah, you see this is like seashore. It's very beautiful. This is a place Swedish is having their summer vacation here usually. 100 meters more, 200 meters. Oh, look at it. Gorgeous frozen lake. We're gonna jump into that, or maybe I'm not there. Wow, we don't even need to go.
Can you go swimming?
No, we can just walk on the ice, right?
I think so. Oh my God.
How are you guys feeling? Good. French. For French standard is cold, yeah.
Oh yeah.
But what about Swedish standard?
Oh, great.
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 This is a sauna house. Being 4 months in there. Yeah, and you guys can change the clothes there and just go to that room. And there you can jump into the not jump into the lake. Ah, it's frozen. Not today, Okay.
So good, right?
So hello everyone. Introduce again. We got the French, we got the Swedish, we got the Indian here. So how much is the experience for original saunas? No.
And of course.
This one, you light everything like that.
Oh, sure.
Yeah.
Okay,
So-
Chanji, I will explain.
It was already like
First you need a fire, so you can bring yourself.
Oh, and the very Swedish matches
yeah, Swedish magic.
originating from Jönköping, right?
You have this what is it? Tan cube, the light cube.
Light tube, yeah.
Light cube. This is light rock.
Oh, and that's much warmer in here.
And they still have something left, so that's good. Then you can have a okay.
They prepared the job.
Prepare the job a little bit. Crap.
Omsorgning, you. Sen ska här.
No, this is good. Yeah, and I'll just put one in. And then we have another one.
It's so good, right?
Yeah.
What does it says?
Yeah, you can film a little bit inside.
Create.
Never.
Whoa.
It's 18 Fahrenheit.
Now we need more.
That was not magic.
Okay, great.
Yeah. You buy
More
actually you
wood.
buy this larger package, but you're never gonna use it all because
Yeah, okay,
Yeah.
so you just took a few.
this is a good thing to start with.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. Basically, just add more of this kind of wood and build a shape like a mountain. Do you want to play around?
Yeah.
Do you want to play around? No.
Play what?
Play this wood, put it in or something like
Oh,
that.
yeah, sure.
Yeah. So hopefully it will start it.
That's crazy.
Looking good.
Can we get a ride?
All of
Jump.
them?
Yeah, one more. I think will be enough if we started. Okay, let's see.
Let's
You see, and then we're gonna put a large birch in. Yeah, so we see now we add more birch into that, the large one, and it's actually quite fast. It's gonna sustain for like 10 minutes, stuff like that. But I will show you. Basically, just put it here, and we close it. Water level here. Yeah, it's frozen, I think. Frozen.
I don't want to go on rescue.
No, it's quite
Oh wow. Oh wow.
it's quite yeah. Okay, now I taste it. I mean, summertime I was swimming here.
From there.
Yeah, I mean from there's a jellyfish actually.
Jellyfish?
Yeah, but I don't think it's now because it's frozen. They will be froze, right?
No, they will be done.
Yeah.
Oh my god. It's cracking? No?
No? I don't think so. It's quite
Wow, nice.
No, this is not allowed. It's illegal.
It's illegal.
Yeah. To break the ice from the
Okay.
because it damaged the bacteria system on the rock.
Why are you filming me? Why are you saying that?
Okay. There's some icebreaker, no? I don't know what it is. Wow. This is so windy and cold. I think this is -5 degree now, and also to see this is a Baltic Sea, and it's kind of frozen in you see there's still something, the plate is moving, so it's not totally frozen. I mean some plate here, maybe some temperature vibration, so basically I don't know whether I can jump into the lake, but you see far away it's still not frozen. So I mean, temperature not that low. I mean it's -10 degrees for sometimes, for sure it was frozen. What is happening here? Wow. See, it's not frozen. Partially just making, yeah, it's forming some plate here. 所以说带了一点拖鞋，然后在这里外面负多来更一下衣服。现在穿的是这个样子的，等会儿看看。走，现在换好了，换好了，太冷了，太冷了，5度，冲！ Still?
What?
It's still not melt?
No.
Okay, then we can film it. Wow, I don't know if we can see like ice on the stove. You can put it here. This is a gorgeous idea to make it not a dry sauna. What is it called? This girl is dead now. No, not. Okay, so Tom is Avenger. Discoverer. Oh. So probably I will say to this GoPro, maybe it's the last time I seen you. But anyway, we got some memory. Oh, maybe also it's the last time to see Tom. Who knows? It is at least a documentary for that. So today is February. When it was 10th. What day is it today?
Saturday.
Saturday. Yes. Say goodbye to Tom. Woo!
Okay, what first?
What the first? Yeah. This actually can be. Can you? Is it possible to? Yeah. To do the job. Thank you. That to be good. Yeah.
And it's on? Yeah.
It's on. Yeah. Okay.
This is not too hot.
Not too hot. Ah, shit.
Oh, be careful.
Yeah.
So much fun.
It's not broken. It's not broken. I was thought it's broken because the humidity just stuck. Okay, now I finish. Now we need to tighten it up. Okay, finally finished.